Hi, we're Stef and Bo, and welcome to our channel. As you know, we bought a van. Unfortunately, we already had an accident. So,
it needs to be fixed.
in the meantime, we can start with our van layout. And of course our furball.
Gizmo jumped.
Dealing with the unexpected.
Our table keeps flying away because of the wind. Yeah, but at the end we got rained out.
What you can do and what you're not allowed to do.
Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and enjoy the adventures with us.
So, this floor plate is actually glued pretty good, actually. On the metal frame of the body. We'll put the screws in, and now it's time for the dimensions. Well, not dimensions, actually.
The measuring.
The measurings and the layouts.
Taking all the measurements and see where everything's gonna go.
Yeah, all those freaking noises here, but we'll get to it. We're gonna do the bed probably in here. We actually have a foam mattress. With a memory foam mattress from 140, and we're probably gonna cut it. The bed, the width-wise, this is really important. So the width-wise of the closest points is actually 185. I
Maybe we should measure it again.
It's 185, 87, 186.
186.
But if you measure from the panel to the panel, we have 2 meters.
But we need insulation. It's only like 181.
Yeah, I'm like 181, probably with the shoes 183. So I'm like 6'1".
If we'd had to put the bed the other way, that would not have been possible. It would have just been a room with a bed.
Yeah, then we just lost so much space, so much precious
We
space.
wouldn't have a shower, we wouldn't have a kitchen, so I'm really happy you're not that tall.
Yeah, I'm just within the height. So yeah, no. So we're gonna use some
that's the
tape.
bed? Yeah.
I need to have a chair there, so I can have a visualize that idea. How big?
Let me squat.
Yeah, we're thinking of maybe to put two seats and the table here, and
This is my workout.
and if that doesn't work out, for example, then we can use a whole bench and use like a lagoon table.
And like this.
So then we'll probably sit like this actually, and then use actually a lagoon table which we can mount. So this will be also the fun. And we have a view.
Yeah, that's actually true. That's yeah.
I mean, and if we put it like this, we're probably gonna put also a window in here.
Yeah.
I'm just not sure about the measurements.
Yeah.
So
And we might remove this.
considering it, thinking about what you can do and what you're not allowed to do. Hey guys, how are you doing? So today I'm gonna bring the van to the dealership because it needs to be fixed. So yeah, because you know already I damaged the mirror on the right side of the passenger seat. Hopefully it's not that big of a deal and it's gonna be fixed really easy because it's only like the body of the mirror actually that needs to be replaced. So let's get to it.
Luckily, it got fixed pretty quickly, so we decided to meet up afterwards to celebrate.
And we're like, let's go for a drink. It's been 8 months since we've been out for a drink.
Yeah, exactly.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's been. We're just so happy that we can like piece by piece enjoy our freedom, I guess.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's something we're actually looking forward. That's why we want to do van life.
Yeah, freedom. Just being free to go where you want to go, whenever you want to go.
That cocktail was okay.
It was really nice though, yeah, but at the end we got rained out.
Yeah, typical Belgium weather, of course. But in the meantime, we bought some herbs.
Yeah, we're gonna plant them in some soil.
Yeah.
We got like basil, mint, parsley, and we're gonna plant them and hang them outside on our balcony.
For our food and maybe for the cocktails too.
Oh yeah, for the cocktails too, for sure. Like making a nice mojito. Oh, Gizmo.
That would be great.
I think Gizmo wants to help.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah. I hope you can see a lot of here, guys.
looking really nice.
Yeah, it's almost finished. You need to put some dirt there and some herb.
Is this? Oh, okay, no.
Well, I don't know which.
This is parsley.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm just putting them.
This is cilantro or coriander, and this is parsley.
Yeah, and this is
The leaves are
basilicum,
really.
and this is mint, I guess.
Yeah, mint. Mint for mojitos.
Basilicum
Basil for
Basil.
Pesto.
pesto. Un poquito pesto. Para mozzarella. No.
You can also make cocktails with it.
For which
Basil.
which
I've
cocktail?
heard about it.
Gizmo is gonna eat.
No.
Which cocktail are you gonna make with that?
Not the classics, but you can make a cocktail with it.
Yeah, probably. I just don't know which cocktail.
I've seen a few.
Do you know which
Like
cocktail you
basil
want?
smash or something.
Oh. Alright.
Alright.
We're finished. I'm gonna put this on the window.
Yeah, perfect.
Rainy. But this will do. Oh shit.
Smart. What do you think of it?
Yeah, if you don't know, one time Gizmo jumped over this fence down there. It's like almost 2 meters and a half. And he just jumped out of it and he was so curious, but he was such a bad boy. Huh, buddy?
Good morning.
Good morning, good evening.
Wherever you are. Hello.
Exactly. Well, for us it's actually a bit morning.
It's morning. It's really cold and windy, and then it doesn't feel like May. It feels like November.
Yeah, it's Belgium weather.
Today we're gonna work a bit with cardboard, some crafting,
Yeah, exactly.
have some fun with that.
Yeah, exactly. So we're gonna do some ideas, I think. Do some layouts, make a path, make some kitchen dinery stuff.
Basically make some fake furniture.
That's it. That's the practically idea that we're trying to accomplish.
Yeah.
Get a better feeling of how it would really feel, and we're using a program for that also. But yeah, using a program and seeing it on a computer or on your laptop, and actually feeling how it is, that's a massive big difference. But yeah, we'll take you along with us into the journey and convert this baby. This is going to be our cabinet. So this cabinet is actually going to be stretched out to the whole end of the van. And here's the countertop. So probably the fridge is going to come here. And we're thinking about a fridge, the isotherm fridges. But then Dutch top will probably be here also with a tray. How do you call it? A drawer. And we want to use as much electricity that we can, so that means that we're probably gonna invest in a huge battery bank. Yeah, then here the sink probably.
This is gonna be our shower. Like, don't look at the Playmobil. We use cardboard from my sister, so it's a lot of kid stuff around here. So this will be our shower, the toilet also, the composting toilet, nature's head. And then here is gonna be our bed, which is probably gonna be until here. Because this is a wheelbase, so it would be a bit stupid to put it till here, which was the original plan, because then we lose all the space. So this is going to be 130 centimeters, and then over here is going to be like our seating area with a little table. We're not sure how we're going to do this exactly, if we're going to make like a bench over here and then a swivel table, or if we're just going to sit opposite each other like this.
You probably see already, if you see it from camera, that this space is really itchy small.
It's compact.
It's gonna be compact, so we have some ideas how we want to do it.
And then a little window over here. It would be ideal if it would fit right in here.
Yeah.
But that's a hard size to find, so we're not sure what's gonna happen here.
Yeah. Well, if you have some ideas, if you have some suggestions, leave them below in the comments.
Or if you think like, guys, this is silly, you should do it like this or like that, or if you have any advice on the specific measurement, because we have a Fiat Ducato. So if you also have a Fiat Ducato and you think like, oh, we did it that way, and you think you should do that too, please let us know.
got those chairs from your sister?
Yeah, she just came by with her little boy. And she brought some chairs so we can measure if it's gonna fit.
Yeah.
This way. Exactly. Or the other way. Our table keeps flying away because of the wind.
Yeah, it's a bit windy actually. So we're first starting with this, but now I think this is the logical option, the better option.
Yeah.
Because then, well, we have more space.
And a little broader view.
Yeah, maybe that makes it less.
Because if you look like this all the time, it's like...
You're looking at me.
Yeah, of course, but still. I love looking at you in a wider environment instead of in a box.
Yeah, exactly. Keep talking, darling.
But guys, if you have any advice how we should put our table and our seats, please let us know. It would be nice to have some inspiration.
I'm pretty satisfied with how we're seeing
same.
it. The water tank is gonna go probably here, and then here we're probably gonna do the electrical system, solar panels on top of it. Yeah. We hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, and if you want to see more future and more.
If you want to see more of us in the future, hit that subscribe button
and that notification bell. Bing! Come along with us in the journey and support this channel, because if you support this channel, then it gives us the opportunity to grow and actually share more of this content with you guys. So
yeah, exactly. Thanks so much for watching.
all right, cheers guys. Bye.
Bye.